The Brick Abode by Architecture Interspace. A 10-minute drive from Auroville International Township, this weekend house offers a perfect getaway from the hustle of both Pondicherry and Auroville. The little red house was designed to reveal and glorify the surrounding context and the local Indo-French architecture. It has been designed keeping in mind the needs of our client based in the United Kingdom, a sophisticated contemporary yet earthy abode. Architectural planning is dictated by two major factors, context and climate. Contextually, the red earth soil abundantly nourishes horticulture, so, the landscape boosts the character of the site and the lifestyle of residents. Also, this plot of land does not offer views outside, so, views are focused on the landscape and interiors. Climatically, the hot humid weather made us turn to the traditional Indo-French architecture in the nearby French town of Pondicherry. We studied the climate mitigation factors adopted by traditional Indian and French courtyard houses and derived the layout for the little red house. The house feels bigger than it is because of its connection to the landscape and the efficiency of the layout. The main entrance of the house is through the courtyard. The L-shaped house surrounds a rectangular courtyard in such a way that all rooms overlook the courtyard. This form provides openness for the living and entertainment spaces and privacy for the bedrooms. The jolly walls of the courtyard act as filters for the harsh sunlight and hot air during peak summers. A separate side entrance leads to the pool and party lawn. The courtyard houses small parties while the pool and lawn host large gatherings. Interiors and exteriors were designed to encourage lively conversations. The granite-clad breakfast counter with the hanging chandelier offers the right setting for a quick breakfast and serves as an indoor bar counter encouraging casual chats. The large private pool has a swim-up bar accessible from the lawn area as well, and this is the main party feature of the house. The brick-checkered entry to the villa is purposefully unmonumental and draws the viewer's focus to the green spaces in the courtyard with the backdrop of the house. The ceilings and floors are muted so that all the viewer focus is on the living spaces, human interactions, and the surrounding nature. The exposed red earth brick walls are inspired by the unique feature of the village, the red earth soil which nourishes agriculture and horticulture in the area. The bricks are locally sourced. Waxed natural Cuttapaw stone is used for flooring. We strongly believe that this house has a lasting impression on the minds of the visitors even after they had left it. The house is restrained yet magnificent in its own way, wherein the functions enhance the artistry and vice versa.